Alright guys, so another new construction in New Kingston. This is a commercial development on Haining Road. So stay tuned for the video. Alright guys, so this is 13 Haining Road. The developers is KV Developers, your dreams our reality. And this is a commercial development. I think it's 7 floors. Remax Elite is the realtor group selling out this. So 7 floors with elevator, open floor plan, basement parking, backup water supply, generator. So this is the development. I think an older type building was here before, so they demolished that building, and then we have this commercial property right here. I know a lot of time we see these green screen, it's usually an apartment, but this one is not an apartment. It is a commercial development on Haining Road in New Kingston. As usual, it's a drone video, so stay tuned for the drone views so we can see how it looks from above. We have DHL up here. Remember to also subscribe, guys. That's the cheapest way to support the channel. Subscribing is completely free. Remember to like, and remember to also leave your comments. Alright, we see the completion date is set for spring of 2023, and they have a very nice billboard here that shows the design and a lot of other details. So it's always good when developers put up information so that interested persons or even just curious persons can see what's going on. Alright guys, so let me know what you think about the location, the heights. A lot of time we say, hey, why not go more floors? Why not go to 10 floors, 20 floors? So let me know what you think about this development. It's in a community with mixed development, because we have DHL as another commercial property. We have some townhouse, some apartments like over here, 22 Haining Road, Haining Court. So we have apartments mixed with commercial properties. We have, I think, restaurants on this road and other businesses as well. So remember to leave your comments, remember to like, remember to share. So quite a few commercial properties going up in New Kingston. I've covered most of them on the channel already, which you guys would have seen. Alright guys, so we're gonna switch into some drone shots. So stay tuned, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe.